What is going on, everyone? Hopefully you guys are having a great day today. And it is finally time to put the J-pipe and stage 2 tune on the WRX today. Couldn't be more excited to do this build. My heart is racing already. I'm ready to go. I got the car up on 4 jack stands. Made sure I could get this under that today. So yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be funny video today. Really excited. I know I sound really excited, but honestly, we're just gonna hop right into it. Like I said, car's already up in the air. We don't have to watch a time lapse of me doing that. So yeah. Woo! Oh. Well, as you can see, I have updates. This is 3 hours later, before after the intro, I should say. Stock J-pipe is out. I'll bring you in a little closer so you can look at it a little bit more here. But yeah, this is like the craziest thing I think I've ever done to a car. Besides, I know it's just like an exhaust piece, but there's a lot going on here that some people don't know about. A lot of Subaru guys will know about, but I did this all by myself, which is kind of stupid, honestly, without having a buddy here. But I don't know. I just feel like this is just a big accomplishment that I was able to take out like a very difficult thing to take out by myself. There was some spots that, as you can see, just from all the mess down here, that was a little complicated, but made it work. Clearly I made it work, but this top dust shield right here was the only reason why it took 3 hours. Don't ask me why, but yeah, it's finally out, and now we can finally put in this Mishimoto J-pipe. But yeah, let me bring you guys in a little closer here and kind of just take it all in. Alrighty, stock Subaru J-pipe. Interesting little unit here, but let's start from the back, work our way forward. A lot easier to explain. That just goes up to the rest of the exhaust, that flange right here. Then you have a resonator, pretty straightforward. You have your secondary cap, and then it just gets real tight. It squishes, you know, it's like a rectangular like tube thing right here. That's how squished it is. And then it goes into your primary cat. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna run a cat, just for emissions reasons. I'm still gonna run a cat. I'll just have one instead of two. I'm most likely gonna hold on to this unit here, just in case I run into any issues. I'll just have it here, ready to go. And yeah, this was a pain, but this is honestly probably removing this, and this isn't even like that old of a car. So it's a Pacific Northwest car, so we don't use salt on the roads up here or anything like that. So it wasn't rusty, and it's only 2 years old. So, but again, the bolts off were fairly easy. It was just getting around into the bolts that were hard, because under there it's really cramped. especially with this whole unit in. But let's actually dig down deep in there, and I can just kind of show you everything. Alrighty. Oh, inside of the turbo. Check that out. Hot side. I need to take this gasket out like that, because we get a new one. There's the mid pipe all the way down there with the exhaust hanger. Yeah, pretty cool. It's pretty cool under here. Just checking everything out. And yeah, I'm just gonna honestly probably put the camera down again and finesse this this whole thing in here. So wish me luck. All right, boys and girls, those who are watching, as you can tell, it is a fresh day by the fresh new t-shirt, and just the fact that that the car is only halfway up in the air and stuff like that. I just had to take a break from filming that day. I didn't even film a whole lot of the install process. The last clip you guys saw was literally what the inside of the turbo looked like. I'm sure a lot of you already know what the inside of the turbo looks like, but beyond the point, basically, I just got too late. I had work the next day, and I just had to buckle down and just get the part installed and the car tuned, and just so I could drive it in the morning, basically. So sorry I didn't film a whole lot of the install process, but promise you it's in. I left the under tray off just to make sure there wasn't any exhaust leaks or anything like that, which I know you can tell almost immediately if there is, but just to be sure, I wanted to check for any seepage or anything like that. Just driving around for a few days and just seeing how everything kind of plays out. And it looks solid. I'll take the camera under there. I'll show you the pipe fully installed. And then I'm going to throw the under tray back on. This car just got its oil change done. I got it done in the dealership mostly just because I was lazy, and it was like $10 or $15 more or something like that to do it there than do it myself. So, and my oil container is full, so I didn't want to go through that hassle. But that's besides the point. I know I'm lazy, but yeah, let's hook you guys down there, and I'll show you everything that's going on, and then we'll just get into some beautiful sound clips. Alrighty, so here it is, fully installed there. Everything is up there perfectly. That bracket was brung like that when I took it off, so I'm not concerned about that. The welds are looking pretty saucy under here, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, everything's looking good. The ground strap connected, everything like that. I'm surprised how small those headers are, but the only thing that kind of made me nervous was the fact there was no heat shield under here. But everything's looking fine. I'm not burning any coolant hoses or anything like that, so that's awesome. Little turbo here with this square butt underneath him. It's more at the cold side over here. That's pretty cool. And then that's the intake tubing and everything like that. But anyway, yeah, everything's looking good. I'm just gonna, like I said, throw this under tray back on. I'm gonna kind of hide it a little bit, but that's okay. And yeah, slap this back on there. Alrighty, so got the under tray back on. Everything's looking fabulous. The car is absolutely disgusting for some reason. I guess we're still, since it's still 80 degrees in October here, we're still getting dust and particles and everything falling from the sky. So besides that, the car's phenomenal. So let's do this. well, that'll do it for today's episode on the WRX installing the J-pipe. I came out here to get those driving clips for you, just some drive-bys and whatnot. I believe I already got some of the just casual driving around town from the interior view. I'll know once I edit this video, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This has been installing a J-pipe on my 2020 Subaru WRX, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.